Hi everyone, and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to disable comments on Instagram, step by step. Whether you're trying to avoid negativity, reduce spam, or just want a cleaner post, turning off comments is a simple process and you can do it either before posting or even after you've already shared something. Let's get started. 1. Disabling comments before posting. If you haven't published your photo or video yet and already know you don't want anyone to comment, follow these steps. Open the Instagram app on your phone and tap the plus button to start creating a new post. Choose your photo or video, then tap Next. On the next screen, where you can write a caption and tag people. Scroll down and look for Advanced Settings. It's usually at the very bottom. Tap Advanced Settings and you'll see an option that says Turn off commenting. Switch it on, then go back and share your post as usual. Now when your post goes live, the comment section will be gone. No one can leave a comment from the very beginning. 2. Disabling comments after you've already posted something, and now you want to stop comments. No problem. Here's what to do. Open Instagram and go to the post where you want to turn off comments. Tap the three dots at the top right corner of the post. From the menu that appears, choose Turn off commenting. Just like that, the comment section disappears from your post. People who already commented won't see their comments anymore, and no new comments can be added. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future tips like this. Drop a comment if you have any questions or need help with something else on Instagram.